Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share a 3D model to you. This is a female body anatomy 3D model. So now you can see this is just an FBX file. You can just scroll down, go to my video description to download it. I already put the download link at there. And actually I created this female anatomy 3D model by using the Make Human software, and then I already fixed all of the FBX issues, and now it is compatible to all the software like the Autodesk Maya. It is compatible with the Blender with full facial skeletons and rigs. Now you can see, I will just let you see if I make it as a stick. You can see all of the facial bones and skeletons included the eyes blinking, the closed eyes, open mouth by using the jaw bones, and also you can rotate the eyeball by using the skeletons. And it is compatible with the Character Creator 4 as well. You can make it become an iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 avatar. This is the CC4. Everything will just included inside an FBX file. It is universal for all of the software, included the game engines like Unity and Unreal engines. And I hope all of you will enjoy and having fun to download this 3D model for your animations, for your further 3D modeling project or the game developing project. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of the female anatomy 3D model. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.